All these smeared shapes are creating one single sculpture, even if there's space between them. But you can also use the smear tool to remove from the sculpture instead of adding to it. To do that, we need to make the tool subtractive. Scope into your sculpture if you haven't already, and make sure you have the Smear Shape tool active. You can equip it in the Sculpt Tools menu. In the Sculpt menu, find the Add or Subtract button. It's next to the Tools button, and the icon is a shape with a plus sign on it. Select this button with your primary imp to make the shape you're using subtractive. You'll notice that your imp turns into an outline. The shape on your imp becomes an outline too. You can now use the Smear tool to cut into your sculpture. Try using different shapes to see what effect they have. For a really cool effect, try subtracting with a different coloured shape on your imp. How good is that? You can switch between additive and subtractive using the button in the Sculpt menu. But if you're like me, you probably don't like wasting time in menus. So I've designed a gesture that'll quickly switch between additive and subtractive tools. Here's how you do it. Touch the glowing sphere on top of your secondary controller to the bottom of the handle on your primary controller. Easy as that. Touch it again to switch back. Experiment with the tools for a bit and make something that looks interesting. When you're happy with its shape, go into play mode and see if you can get Connie across it. When Connie has crossed the first gap in play mode, switch back to edit mode and rewind time. Move your view over to the next gap using the move buttons, then start the next step once you're in position.